Want to know what makes Cloud Forest unforgettable? I'll walk you through the breathtaking views, ticket prices, the perfect time to visit, and some hidden gems. Let's explore together. Welcome to Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. This stunning attraction is home to one of the world's tallest indoor waterfalls, standing at 35 meters tall, and a lush mountain covered with plants from all around the globe. As you explore, you'll stroll along unique aerial walkways that offer an up-close experience with some of the world's most exotic plant species. It's a journey that rewards the curious and adventurous. The Cloud Forest is as large as 1.5 regular football fields, and its temperature ranges from 23 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, with a humidity level of 80% to 90%. The Cloud Forest is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., with the last admission at 8:30 p.m. The best time to visit is during the misting hours, which happen at 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. To fully enjoy the experience, it's recommended to spend about an hour exploring this breathtaking space. In Orchid Haven, orchid lovers can explore a 280 SQM area dedicated to changing orchid displays and permanent orchid exhibits. The popularity of these displays led to the expansion of space to showcase the orchids. At the cavern, you can learn about cloud forest habitats from around the world and discover the unique adaptations of epiphytes, plants that don't grow in soil but rely on other plants for support. At Waterfall View, pause to appreciate Earth's fresh water sources and learn how epiphyte-laden branches help cloud forests capture water droplets from mist and fog. The Lost World, at the mountain's peak, is where you can get a closer look at carnivorous plants like pitcher plants and Venus flytraps amid vibrant ferns and mosses, all while enjoying stunning views of the Marina Bay waterfront. As you descend, take a walk along the Cloud Walk, where you can admire vibrant epiphytes along the mountain sides and enjoy panoramic views of gardens by the bay and Marina Bay. At Crystal Mountain, enter the Hidden Forest, a digital art experience that uncovers the secrets of the forest canopy. Wander through this enchanted realm filled with blooming flowers and fauna from cloud forests worldwide. At the foot of the mountain, gaze up at the lush forest canopy from the treetop walk for an unforgettable view. In the secret garden, discover 7,000 plants from more than 135 species and hybrids, some so small that you'll need a magnifying glass to spot the miniature orchids. The Cloud Forest Gallery provides a more immersive look into the hidden forest through an interactive experience where you can touch the plants and explore the relationships between flora and fauna, learning how each part of this ecosystem is interconnected. Finally, at Cloud Forest Theater, learn how you can contribute to nature conservation and build a more sustainable future. Through holographic displays and short films, you can learn about climate change and eco-sensitive practices to protect the planet. Admission charges apply to enter the Cloud Forest, and parking is conveniently located at the main entrance basement car park. For those visiting Monday through Thursday, you can explore both the Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome, including Impressions of Monet, the experience. Tickets for adults are priced at $59, while tickets for children aged 3 to 12 are $45. Alternatively, you can visit just the Flower Dome for $12 for adults, $8 for seniors aged 60 and above, and $8 for children. On weekends, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays, tickets for the Flower Dome and Impressions of Monet are priced at $27 for adults, $23 for seniors, and $23 for children. If you want to visit both the Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome, weekend tickets are $35 for adults, $30 for seniors, and $27 for children. Make your way to the mountain's peak and discover unusual vegetation that is native to cloud forest habitats, typically found at 2,000 meters above sea level. Look out for carnivorous plants, including pitcher plants and Venus flytraps, set against a verdant carpet of ferns and mosses, all while enjoying spectacular views of the Marina Bay waterfront. As you ascend, embark on a journey of discovery through the hidden forest, a brand new digital art experience created in collaboration with Japan's Naked in Sea, which is available at Crystal Mountain and Cloud Forest Gallery, starting from the 29th of June 2024. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!